Hope you guys liked and subscribed, because here is the unboxing video. So first we'll go with the sparkler pack. These sparklers are long. 18 gold sparklers. Another pack of gold sparklers. Ooh.
Oh wait, that 18-inch.
A red mantis.
What kind of fireworks is that?
Fountain, I think. Like one of the ones shooting in the sky.
Oh.
Red mantis again.
Oh.
Another red mantis. Is one of them open or something? Because it's like gunpowder.
Oh.
Yeah, never mind that. Okay. I'll just throw that. At least I have, and of course, I have 9 Rage Crackle barrels, and next, the Roman candles. Roman candles are really fun because they shoot off into the air.
How many shots in these ones?
8. Multi-shot Roman candles. Let's pour these out. Let's pour these bad boys out. Oh, they're huge. They are huge. As you can see.
Dark magic. What's that one? Coven.
Oh, God.
Melting point.
Instead of breaking point. This has to be America or something.
What's that? Heavy metal. Rocker.
Okay, I'll push these down. Next we go Breakout. The huge pack.
Oh, the moment of truth.
Oh,
Oh yeah.
eyeballs.
Are they right?
Bug eye.
Let's have a look at them.
A bug. They're called bug eyes.
Okay.
Smoke balls.
Smoke balls. Oh yes.
Crackle
Oh,
balls.
heaps of them.
96 shot coloured pearl.
Great.
Another one. Cascades. Cascades. What are these?
Oh, lucky we didn't break more.
Magic fountains.
Oh yeah.
What are they? Oh, what's this?
Ooh.
Emerald fountain. Oh,
What are they?
they have to be like Halloween shots or something.
Oh, cool. Mini Monsters fountain.
Mini Monsters fountain.
Oh, and 2 more.
2 more
Roman candles.
Roman candles.
Oh, you're the Roman candle king this year.
Oh, what are these?
Well done.
Yin and Yang.
Yin yang. And finally,
Yin and Yang. Flash disc.
let's have a look.
Disco flash.
Disco flash. Cool.
And these are all my fireworks for this year. Look at this. This is the biggest haul I've had in years.